If you want your home to feel cozy, magical, and expensive this Christmas without spending a ton, these 10 upgrades will transform every corner of your home. I did all of these in one weekend, and the results are so good. Okay, we're starting strong because this transformation shocked me the most. This round mirror in my breakfast nook is one of my favorite pieces in the house, but at Christmas it just felt kind of boring. So I grabbed this realistic faux pine garland and just watch what happens. I wrapped it all the way around the frame. If your mirror doesn't have a lip like mine, just pop in a couple of clear command hooks behind it. They'll hold the garland in exactly the right spots. And suddenly, this breakfast nook feels like a cozy little cafe tucked away on a snowy street. It's warm, soft, and honestly, this is one of those upgrades that instantly makes your home feel more intentional and more expensive. Add garlands wherever you can. And this particular garland sets the tone for everything else we're about to do. Now that the mirror has had its moment, it's time to warm up my living room. And nothing says luxury like a faux fur throw. This one is my favorite. It's ridiculously soft, like read all day on the couch soft. The texture alone makes the whole room look more expensive, especially when those lights are low. Layered textures are what separate cozy homes from cold ones, so don't skip adding tons of texture this season. Now we're building on that texture with some seasonal pillow covers. You don't need all new pillows every year, just grab a couple new covers or one special accent pillow. I love looking at IKEA and HomeSense for these, and look for festive colors, subtle patterns, and cozy textures. When you mix a cozy knit with a faux fur or a wool texture, it's gonna look curated and not cluttered, and oh so cozy for Christmas. This plus the throw creates instant designer cottage vibes, and we're about to take that designer look even further with some ribbon. One of the most affordable ways to elevate your decor is with velvet ribbon. It's such a simple and affordable thing, but it looks so high-end, and you can add some color into your space for just a few dollars. I added velvet ribbon bows to the wall sconces in my breakfast nook, and I love how it looks. And then I tied the same ribbon into my entryway garland to tie the whole house together. I also added it on my mantle. It's cohesive and intentional and hardly costs anything at all. You can grab rolls of velvet ribbon on Amazon, and I'll make sure to link my favorite in the description box below. If your home ever feels a little flat at night and it gets dark so early, what you're usually missing is warm lighting. Create cozy lighting zones with soft lamps in unexpected places, even places like your kitchen counter or a random side table. These battery-operated lamps are perfect, no cords, no outlets, just a really warm golden glow. This is one of those upgrades that makes your home feel expensive instantly. Even if the rest of the room is messy, cozy lighting will hide everything. And now that the lighting is perfect, let's style the centerpiece of the season. And it is so easy, even though it looks absolutely designer. Start with a round wood tray, then grab a thrifted vase. I love looking for handmade pottery at my local thrift store. Then add these faux Norfolk pine stems from Amazon. Just make sure to bend the branches outward and inward so that they look more natural. Tie a little velvet ribbon bow around the vase, add a few of these beautiful brass bells, also from Amazon, and suddenly this looks like a professionally styled vignette. It's classic, minimal, and so cozy, and I love how it looks here on my breakfast nook table. Here's a trick I've used for years. Don't wait until Christmas to wrap a few boxes beautifully. Use them as decor, not just under your tree, but elsewhere in your house. I added a couple of wrapped boxes with neutral fabric and gold ribbon on my entryway console, and I love how this looks. It's so styled and festive. You can fill these with actual gifts or just use empty Amazon boxes. Nobody will ever know. And speaking of little touches, wait until you see my bathroom. This tiny bathroom cozy up might be one of my favorite parts of the whole house this year. I added a simple white Christmas village with tea lights from Amazon on the shelves. Then this tiny greenery swag above the mirror. It's such a small detail, but it adds so much charm to this space. An inexpensive seasonal towel and soap dispenser from Walmart tie everything together and add some beautiful festive touches of red. And this little Christmas tree nightlight might be the cutest thing I've bought all year. I love how it glows at night. Okay, this is where the cozy factor goes into overdrive. I turned my IKEA hat coffee bar into a Christmas hot chocolate and coffee station. Festive treats, garland, fairy lights, seasonal artwork, all from Amazon. It doesn't take much, but it completely transforms your mornings or your evenings. So nice for hosting too. Guests love it. It's warm, nostalgic, and just so inviting. And my kids love this festive little area. They love to have their after-school Christmas hot chocolate. And now we're stepping into the kitchen for a holiday showstopper. I love making this. It's the easiest Christmas charcuterie wreath. Just arrange rosemary in a circle on a round tray. Add some cheese, crackers, berries, a salami rose, really whatever you want, and you're done. It looks like you ordered this from a fancy catering company, but you did it yourself in only a few minutes. It's fresh, festive, and incredibly beautiful on a holiday table. You could even use it as a centerpiece. So here's a look at how everything came together. None of these upgrades were super expensive, but altogether they make your home feel warm, welcoming, and incredibly festive. Everything I used is linked in the description box below, and tell me in the comments which of these are you trying first. I would love to know. And if you love affordable, cozy decorating ideas, I'm gonna leave another video for you to watch next up in that top left-hand corner. I'm sharing my favorite dollar store DIY decor ideas to make your house beautiful and cozy on a budget.